Hello everybody, it's Monday, June 4th, and it's 11:51 and 28 seconds. This is the drawing for the Giant Size X-Men number 1 graded 5.0. Over here on the left hand side are the 28 filled spots. I'm going to go up and I'm going to go back down. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. The number is only 6. I'm going to randomize 6 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. There's a slim chance I will actually be able to get it out in today's mail. If not, it will go out tomorrow, Tuesday, June 5th. Good luck, everybody, and away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the final one. 6. Frank Digi. Congratulations. Time is 11:52 and 24 seconds.